Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if your belt's squeaking like this, I'll show you what you can do. Okay, so you're going to take a breaker bar and you're going to put it into the tensioner, and this one needs a reducer down to 3/8 inch. But you can see as you move the tensioner over with the breaker bar, it gives you slack on the belt, and we're able just to take the belt off of this idler here. Now, it could be any of these idlers or pulleys that's making the squeaking sound. So let me show you what it sounds like when it's bad. It shouldn't spin like that. Okay, 13 millimeter bolt here we're just removing out of the center. And the old idler comes off. Now we're just going to put our new idler on. Okay, we're going to put our bolt back in and put it to about 20 foot-pounds. It's not a lot of pressure, and if you do it too tight, it could ruin the bearing that it's tightening against. Okay, see, that's a better spinning one there. See how it stops on its own too, a lot quicker? There has to be a little bit of resistance on there, and that's how it's it's a good bearing. Hear that? Bearings are just dry in there. Okay, so we just put the belt back on and we put the tension back on there. Now just make sure it goes correctly around all your accessories, and we'll just go over this real quick so you know, because sometimes they get hung up on these studs and everything, so you got to really look at it, make sure it's going on the pulleys. But this is the power steering on the right, and so you just want to make sure that it goes under the power steering, underneath the crank pulley, around the water pump on the smooth side, and then over and down from this tensioner that we were moving, around the air conditioning compressor, up over the top of that idler, underneath this idler, and back over the top of the alternator. And depending on the year of your 4.6 liter, it could be on top of the pulley or under it. No more squeaky squeaky. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this solves your problem if you're getting some squeak on the belt. Sometimes you just got to take the belt off and move the pulleys around and see which ones of them sound like this and which ones sound normal like this one. Okay, see, that's a better spinning one there.